Hello, good morning everybody. Now we will be starting our walking tour of Azad Market on Sunday. It's 9 a.m. in the morning and the temperature is already 42 degrees centigrade. It's very hot and humid in Delhi today. Today is Sunday, so Patri market, or you can say that footpath market, is taking place in every part of Delhi approx. So I am walking in Azad market on Sunday. You can see people are selling in this land. People are selling rainy day product, as you can say, umbrella and all that things. So if you have any suggestion regarding the videos or anything else, you can ask me on Instagram or in the comment section of the video. My Instagram ID is Amit Bansi 007, which can be spelled as AMIT Amit BANSI Bansi 007. And if anybody is interested in taking the walking tour of Old Delhi, New Delhi, or any of the locality in Delhi, you can also contact for that. And if you have any suggestion, you will obviously comment on the video section. And if you want any help while in Delhi, I will try to help you. Just comment me or ask in the video or my Instagram, and I will try to help you out. So this is the Azad market area. Most of the shops are closed because today is Sunday and Patri market or footpath market is taking place. See, in every footpath market you will find lots of clothes which will be starting from 50 rupees, which will be I think so $50. School bags and travel bags. Fixed price 100 rupees. You can see slippers. What is this? In Hindi we say this as tirpal. I don't know the English name. It will save you from rain. Clothes for ladies. Umbrella, which is approx 100 rupees, or you can say that little bit more than $1. Oh, mosquito net, which is good. Some pants. See the clothes which are for 100 rupees. Umbrella. And more clothes. Lots of clothes on thelas and on chowkis for 100 rupees only. I think these are blankets. These are blankets which you can find at 100 or 200 rupees or at the rate of per kg. See, Tirpal, I don't know the English name, that's the reason I'm not saying. See, 100 rupees clothes, lots of clothes for 100 rupees. See, different type of fruits. Let's see what's inside this gully or road. Clothes, lots of clothes are present. I am saying little bit slow so that everyone understand my English, and if you don't like my English, it will improve with time, but I think so that I am saying it properly. So this is the locality around me. So most of the shops are closed. Mango, the king of fruits everywhere in Delhi. The price is approx 35 rupees. What is the price in your city? You can comment. Dolls everywhere. Mangoes, jamun, and I don't know. This is guava, and I don't know the name of the other fruit. So on the opposite side of the road, lots of vegetable vendors are present. I will be walking on that side. I have to complete this side first. So see how the clothes are being sold on the footpath of Azad Market on Sunday. See the locality with lots of old construction. See small children clothes for approx 50 rupees, pants for approx 50 rupees. See, these blankets are sold for kg, not per piece, per kg. See, constructions of the buildings. See, slippers for 100 rupees and mango seller. I will be entering that vegetable market when I travel on that side of the road. Let's complete this side first. Mango is present everywhere on the street. This is the season of mango, the king of fruit. The pride of India. See, that's the flag of India, looking beautiful. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Whenever I see my flags anywhere in the world, goosebump. And this is the bad part of Delhi. Cow is eating the garbage and it will die one day by consuming garbage. Sri Ram Mandir, Azad Market. See. A mosque, I think so. Pants on the footpath, denims for 100 rupees. And here denims for 150 rupees. See. So I'll be going on the opposite side of the road. Just let me know from where you are watching this video. Comment on the video section that you are watching from which part of the world or from which city in India or any of the locality. Just comment on the comment section. See, clothes everywhere. Clothes are present everywhere on the street. I think you can find cheapest clothes in Delhi, which you can't find in any part of India or any part of the world, I think so. Oh, I have not told you how to reach this locality. So you can reach this locality by taking Delhi Metro Red Line and deboarding at Tees Hazari Metro Station and exit towards St. Stephen Hospital and take a rickshaw for 10 rupees and you will be at this locality. MG internet inside, electric car, MG, I think this is Chinese brand, electric. See, clothes and clothes everywhere. Coconut, jamun in front of me, mango. Should I go to the vegetable market or not? Let's see. This is the vegetable market, I think so. I will go some other day. Mango and mango everywhere. See, lemon. Jamun. Mango for selling for 20 rupees only. Lemon. So lots of vegetables. watermelon. See, everything is sold on footpath on Sunday, where you can find best product at cheap prices. I have sweated so much that my shirt and pant is totally dipped in sweat, I think so. I have bathed with the sweat which is coming from my body. The temperature is about 45, I think so now. It's very hot. And if you are watching this video and want to see this kind of video in future, then please support me by subscribing to my channel, The Walking Journey. I will be posting beautiful videos in future, not only about Delhi and the locality of Delhi. I am thinking of showing many other parts of India as well. So please support by subscribing to this YouTube channel, which will motivate me a lot. am ending my walk of Azad Market on Sunday, and I will find you, or you can find me, walking on some other parts of Delhi or anywhere in India. Till then, take care and bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.